Good morning, I'm Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate. We are here today in a house called Casa Mariposa, Butterfly House. It's in Paradise Bay and it's like a beachfront house. So here is what you have in front of you. The lot down is yours, also on the part, on the side, and also behind the house. So it's a 5 acres property, so it's easy to develop it again. We are one bay south from San Juan Del Sur Bay. We access by this development from town, so we are like a 5-minute drive from town. Okay, let's see a bit more this beautiful house. So all the house work with solar. It has battery. All the bedrooms are equipped with AC. Also a well on the part of the property provides water. So it's an independent construction, independent house, independent of energy. You have of course a backup generators working with diesel, enough to supply all the ACs. Small pool, probably will be easy to maintain it. And we go inside the property. So there is 1 bedroom on the side here. It's a 3 bedrooms house. So it's a house made for rental. It's making incomes. So this is the first salon, 2 sofas, we already designed with some stairs. My main entrance is here. So it's a small living room. I have 1 bedroom on the side, we're gonna see it. It's fresh in the house, of course. It has a superb ocean view. Equipped with bathroom, of course. We'll go to another one. My bar with the kitchen. Of course, the living room has a view. It's very bright. Here we see very well. I'm going to some stairs again. I have the second bedrooms. That chair, like the guest bathroom here. A third bedrooms here, smaller bedrooms. So those 2 bedrooms share 1 bathroom. All of them are equipped with ceiling fans and of course AC, air conditioning. And I go on the second floor and here a kid's bedroom with like 4 beds, 2 bunk bed. So it's a 2 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. 1 main bedrooms with private bathrooms and 2 bedrooms on the bottom with, so all those 3 rooms are sharing this bathroom. So we go to see it. It's a bit dark. It's high ceiling. Makes me remember Pelican Ice Resort. A same type of. Okay, Casa Mariposa is today on sale. The price has been reduced and it's now listed at $850,000. So it doesn't include transfer tax, closing costs. So all the closing costs are at the charge of the buyer. So it's about 8 to 10% to add to this price as closing cost. Okay. I will put on the video the information about the solar system, the capacity of kilowatt and the number of solar panel. Also about the energy tank. No, okay, I stop. All good.